Welcome to See It Gone Junk Removal, your trusted partner for all your property cleanout needs in Marysville, California, and surrounding areas. If you're a real estate agent or a property owner, you might encounter situations where properties need thorough cleanouts. See It Gone is here to help. Our team is ready to tackle any mess, big or small, making your property look its best again. Our services cater to a range of scenarios, including cleaning up after tenants move out, preparing properties for sale, and clearing debris after renovations. We pride ourselves on dependable service. We arrive as promised, work efficiently, and don't leave until the job is done. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We also prioritize environmentally friendly junk disposal, recycling or donating items whenever possible. Contact us today and experience hassle-free, eco-friendly service in Marysville and surrounding areas. Visit our website or give us a call at 530-845-1270. Let us take care of it for you. No hassles, just timely service you can rely on every time.